Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get a Cash App card if you're under 18. First, open Cash App and tap the card icon at the bottom. Tap Get Free Cash Card. Choose your card style and hit Personalize if you want to customize it. Once you're done, tap Order Card. Enter your shipping address, legal name, and date of birth. If you're 13 or older, tap Request Approval. Enter a trusted adult's details. This could be a parent, older sibling, or cousin who's over 18 and has a verified Cash App account. Hit Send and wait for approval. Once approved, you'll get your cash card in about 2 weeks and unlock features like deposits, payments, ATM access, and rewards. And that's it. That's how to get a Cash App card if you're under 18. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.